we are on the boat. The effing boat. These are the people on the effing boat. Okay, since I can't crank around, here we go. Oh wait, that was bad. That was a blur. Okay.
Trying to mile deep comes. It's always slow, but I'm more sure.
Okay. Huh.
It's right there.
Wait, how do you...